going on, guys? I need to finish the motor for the CRV. I'm going to change the valve stem seals and lap the valves on the head for the B20. So I got a little ahead of myself. I got one of these organizer boxes. You just go ahead and label it exactly where you take everything out. That way, you know, if you have to stop or something happens, you know where they came out. Basically, you're going to pull all your cam caps, pull your cams, and then as you see, I've marked the box intake 1, intake 2, intake 3, and intake 4. Let me get this all put away and prepped up to where we can pull the valves out and change the valve stem seals and start that process.
One shift later.
Unfortunately, I do everything very late, or as some people may put it, very early in the morning. I got the head almost all the way disassembled, but the clamp that I was going to use is too small. So real quick, I'm going to clean the head before I pull the valves out. So I'm going to show you guys what I use and what the head looks like before I clean it and after. As you can see, it's all grimy, nasty. We will be cleaning the valves individually also. Bam. Oven cleaner. Does the job. I'm not big on scrubbing, so it gets 90% of it off. It works for me. Let me set the camera down and we'll get started. Alright guys, it's been about 40 minutes, so let's go hose this stuff off. I usually use the pressure washer, but I really don't want to dig it out right now. So this is about after 40 minutes. See how it's eating everything away. Alright guys, so here it is. No scrubbing, just spraying it with the garden hose. Sorry it's cloudy out. If I would have scrubbed, it could have come way cleaner. But this will work for me. I'll touch it up a little bit before I paint it. I mainly just wanted to get the bulk of the grime off. And if everybody's worried about the galleys here, they will come clean. It's just because of the water. Don't worry. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, we got it all clean and ready to pull the valves out. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. All I'm going to use is a 7/8 O2 sensor socket, and it's gonna fit right in here. like so, just like that. And then I'm going to use a clamp, and let me set it all up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So the O2 sensor socket sits right there on top of the valve spring. Clamp sits on one side, and then it sits on the rubber pad, and everything sits on the bottom of the valve. Then you squeeze. Oh. And it pops right out. Take your magnet. Get your keepers. Go ahead and release. And there you go. Let me do the rest of these, and then we'll go on from there. Alright guys, I'm going to cut the video here. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm still learning on how long videos need to be so they're not super drawn out and stuff like that. But please hit that like button if you think this is interesting or if it helped you at all. And hit that subscribe button to get more content on what's going on with the CRV and what we're doing with the wagon. We will be starting that soon. We also have Earl's car to do, and I think I'm gonna go to the street car takeover. So until next time guys, deuces.